Hi, this is Brianna from My Coupon Database, and today I'm going to show you how to use the new and exciting tool from My Coupon Database called the Coupon List and Coupon Matchup tool. This should significantly reduce the time it takes you to do your weekly coupon matches, and it will also allow your readers to print out a very pretty, nice list that they can take to the grocery store. So once you have your plugin uploaded, you'll want to head to Settings. You'll enter in your API token that you will be given. You can also upload, add in your logo URL, any kind of image that you want to put. This will be put on the list that your readers print out. So if you want to bring in yourself a little bit more, put in your logo at the top so that when readers are taking your grocery list to the store, maybe some other people at the store will notice that. You can also put in a footer code, so you could put an ad in this space. You can just write in your website. You can also put an image code, anything that you want in that space. So you'll save those settings. Once you save those settings, you will want to go to Categories. And there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. We also already have default categories set up that have different aisles in the grocery store, different categories. You can also add categories to this list. As you can see, I have added extra care bucks, register rewards, buy one, get one free deals to my list. I can order these in any order I want just by simply dragging and dropping them. Depending on the importance, they are default in alphabetical order, which may not make sense to your readers as they're shopping. So you may want to put it in the order of your grocery store, which comes to this neat tool. You can add category groups for each store that you do lists for. So if the produce is at the end of the store, you could put that at the end of your list. Or if you want to add one for Walgreens and sort them by the different kinds of promotions, you can do that as well. And you will just save your list order. Once you have your categories set up the way you want them, and you can go back and change these at any time, you will want to go down to Create a List. And you have to input a name. I'm just going to call this the test list. And I can use any category. I'm going to use the default categories and click Create a List. This is going to bring you to the screen where you can either add multiple header items or you can add a single item. I use both to do a batch process of a lot of pages in an ad. I will use the multiple header items, and you can add 20 at a time. And we will just start out adding a few items. And if you type in the first couple letters of the category, it will automatically come up, or you can use the drop-down menu. Once you have those items in there, you can add anything to more information. So if it's maybe part of a 10 for $10 sale, you can add that into that area. Click Create Item Headers. You can also add a single item header at a time. So if you forget an item, you can add it at this point. In the More Information tab, you can add HTML to this. So if you have a hyperlink that you want to link to, such as a Catalina deal, that type of thing, you can add it in this space. Once you have your coupon header items that you want to add, you can start adding in coupons. You'll just go to Add Coupons. Now, as you can see, no results turned up because I have too much information in the search bar. So I'm going to need to go back and delete that part of the item name. And then I can add my coupons just by clicking on Add Coupon. Now if I want to add anything to this item name, it's going to show up on the first line. I just click on Edit. I can add a size and update that header. Once I have the coupon in, I will go in and enter my net price. And if I need to remember what the extra care bucks were, I can just hit Edit and find that information. And just click on Set Net Price. Alright, once I have that information inputted the way that I would like it, I just need to copy this short code right here and paste it into a post or a page. Then your readers will see this checkable list sorted in the categories that you have provided, and they can decide which items they want to shop for this week. Hit Create My Custom List, and it's going to bring them to the output page. If they want to add any items to their shopping list, they can do so at this time. And then they'll just simply print their custom list. As you can see, this is a very effective tool. It has saved me 50% of my time on coupon matches each week for each store. So I hope that you have the same experience. Please let us know if you have any questions. Enjoy!